your good name is?
Dr. G.V. Shivakumar.
Okay.
ನಾನು ವೆಟರ್ನರಿ.
Okay, professor.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಡೆಪ್ಟಿ
Deputy
ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್.
director. So tell me what problem you had in the heart and how it has been.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಸರ್. ಇದಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಓಪನ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಅವಾಗ ಈಗ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
You tell me in English, the whole world will going to see. So
in 2002 I got the
open heart
surgery. And nowadays I have got this blood circulation is less in below this
wrist.
And when the arteries are blocking, that can't that is claudication of blood claudication.
Okay. So after how many days consuming of these miracle drinks?
After 1.5 months.
So what changes you have find?
Now I can walk little more bit. Before that I walk only 100-200 meters, that's all. Now I can walk at least 1 kilometer.
Okay. And what other differences you have seen?
And the color of the leg is changing. Before that,
before it was
black.
Before it was black. Now it changes.
Okay.
It becomes normal.
Wonderful.
And all blood vessels are rising.
Okay, wonderful. See why actually I am taking this video, because in the entire world people says that there is no science. So now I am reversing it.
Okay.
So that once if the people go through this digital social media and all, so automatically they will also get confidence.
Yes.
And they will also think that I too can come out from this type of incurable health disorders like that. So again you tell me your good name is
Dr. G.V. Shivakumar.
What is your age now?
Now 65.
Tell me doctor, you said that I had a thyroid problem also, even that also got controlled through this.
Yes, that also controlled, fully controlled. First time I got 11 point something. And second time it come to 3 point something.
Wonderful. Now you are not taking any thyroid
No,
medicine.
I am not taking thyroid.
So initially you used to
Initially I took it.
take. Okay.
That symptoms are swelling in the face and also in legs.
Now it has totally
Now it has
gone.
got.
Wonderful. Thank you.